how to go live on Twitch. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how you could go live on Twitch TV. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, create your account and then set it up. After that, you're simply going to click on your profile over here. Click on Creator Dashboard. And in this section, this is where you will be able to see your stream, as you can see here. This is where you can monitor it. Now, I'm not going to show you the section, but you're going to have to get a key from the settings over here, which then you will use to connect it with whatever screen recording software that you're using. For me, I am using OBS, as you can see here. And then you have the option to start streaming over here, as you can see. So you can click on settings over here. Let's wait for the thing to appear and click on stream. And as you can see, the service is connected to Twitch and the stream key is over here. So you're simply going to get your stream key from the settings of your Twitch, as you can see here. And then you're going to add it over here in the server, and then it will automatically collect. So whenever you click on start streaming, it will automatically stream in your Twitch over here. Of course, you're going to have to turn it on first. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.